going to show you beautiful diamond jewelry, diamond finger rings. So you can see the beautiful diamond finger rings. So you can see how beautiful it is, and you can see the cuts and the design of this beautiful ring. And this is a high quality diamond ring. And its gram weight is 7.58 grams. And its diamond weight is
2.78 carat is the diamond weight, and the net weight is of this 7 grams of net weight gold is there, and this is studded in 14 carat gold with the different shapes of diamond. In this we have 3-4 fancy shapes of diamonds are there. In this baguettes, marquise, round cut, and these are in the clarity of VS and SI in the color of G.
So let me show you one more beautiful diamond ring. So these are also called as cocktail diamond rings, which you can wear onto the night parties or cocktail parties. This is trendy yet traditional, so you can also wear this for the weddings and also for all the parties. And this is suitable for traditional yet stylish looks. So you can see it is completely stylish. This is a flower model which is in golden rose gold
White.
and it is a different design which is being given to this beautiful flower, which is in white gold. And let me give you a brief of the weight of this beautiful diamond ring.
And this the diamond weight is 1.81 carat, and the net weight is 11.8. And in this is in the this is also in 14 carat gold with the rose gold combination with a light touch of white gold finishing. In this baguettes and round brilliant cuts are there.
So if you want to try this jewelry at home, guys, you can also fix an appointment, and number is mentioned in description. And if you want to come and check out the collection at our stores, you can also find at our store locations in description. So let me show you one more beautiful diamonds finger ring. So this you can see the simple and yet elegant diamond ring. So this is a wedding season, guys, so if you want to purchase a diamond ring for your engagement ceremonies or for the wedding or for the gift purpose, so Jagadamba Pearls is one of the most unique collections and unique designs available stores in Hyderabad. So you can see how beautifully it is crafted, and the diamonds are high quality diamonds, and this is a new model and yet traditional and trendy model, and you can see the cuts and the design of this beautiful ring. And let me give you a brief about it. Its gold weight is 3.59 grams and its diamond weight is 1.05 grams. And if you want to customize any of the jewelry, so you're welcome here, or if you want to exchange your gold jewelry, you can come to our store, any of our store, and you can exchange. And this is a unique diamond ring you can see, and this is in white gold, and if you can see the diamond color which is completely unique. So this is a white gold, and this is in
yellow gold touch.
Yellow gold.
Middle.
Okay, so this you can see the yellow gold, and the diamond cuts are unique, and also the traditional and yet trendy diamond ring. Let me give you a brief about it. Its grams are 6.82 grams and diamond weight is 2.54 grams. 54 carats. So let me show you one more beautiful ring. So all this diamond jewelry is made in 14 carats gold. So this is a beautiful yet trendy diamond ring you can see. So this is a yellow gold, and also it's a white gold combination ring, and this is a half lover model, and if you want to customize it, you can also customize the jewelry. And let me just give you a gram weight of this particular jewelry, which is 4.28 grams, and the diamond weight is 1.47 grams. 1.47 carats.
Clarity is VS, VSSI. And And the diamond clarity what you are seeing in these finger rings all are in VS and SI clarity, and the color is G color, and all are the fancy shapes in these rings. All are the different fancy big size diamonds are there with the marquise, baguettes, round brilliant cut and marquise cuts. All of the shapes are there in this. You can customize as your choice also.
And let me show you one more unique model. So this is a unique cocktail ring which you can see, and this is yet stylish and trendy. So you can see the design. This is completely unique design and high quality diamonds are used, and this is in white and yellow gold. And let me give you a brief about its carats, and it's in 7.02 grams gold, and the diamond carat is 1.24 diamond carat. And this is a high quality diamond, guys, and if you want to customize this, you can customize this, or if you want to try this at home, you can also fix an appointment, and contact number is mentioned in description. So one more unique and trendy diamond ring. You can see the detailing of the ring. There is a unique cut, and you can see how uniquely it is being designed in white and yellow gold.
Rose gold.
White and rose gold, guys. Yes, this is in white and rose gold. And this is a flower model, and it's high quality diamonds are used, and it's highly trending. And let me give you a brief about its gold. It's 9.14 grams, and also the diamond is
It is around 2 carats.
around 2 carats. So this is one more unique and trendy cocktail diamond ring. And all these diamond rings are specially made for the wedding season, and if you want to gift this, it's a perfect gift for this wedding season, or if you want this for your engagement ceremony or for the ring ceremony, and this can be used perfectly. And for discounts and offers, you can contact us. Number is mentioned in description. You can see how uniquely it is being crafted, and it's in rose gold and white gold, and the design is completely unique. And people who are looking for the trendy designs, so Jagdamba Pearls is always open for the trendy designs, and also you can customize your own jewelry at our store. And for store locations, you can check out the description, and for latest collections you can check our Instagram page, or you can subscribe to our channel for everyday videos. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to click on to the bell notification to get everyday videos. And if you like our collection, do not forget to step into our store, and we are taking all the safety measures in this pandemic. And to get everyday video notifications, do not forget to click on to the bell notification. And if you want to purchase any of our item, you can also visit our website, and you can also check out our latest collection in our Instagram page.